Vikshakre, Pranam Satya and hello fellow sapiens, you are watching Motor Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. Today we are headed towards Kunigal in our new car, the Tata Tiago AMT, and we are going to Panchamukhi Hanuman Temple, which has a 161 feet tall statue. That is a speciality here, and it has 5 avatars depicted on this statue. This is said to be a completely concrete statue standing 161 feet tall. The Panchamukha, that is 5 faces, represent Varaha, Garuda, Hanuman himself, Narasimha and Hayagriva avatars. This temple is fairly recent and some parts of this temple are still being constructed. Let's now enjoy the splendid aerial views of this gigantic statue.